Hey, it's Judith. Today I'm making this easy DIY wallet. I found this tutorial on Ren DIY and I will put that information in my description box below. I started out by pressing my Fusible Interfacing onto my fabric, then placing my fabric on top of my lining material, right sides together. Now I'm going to take my outer fabric, which is my denim, bring it towards the center or bring it towards that seam, and then I'm going to fold that edge back. Here I'm measuring and marking 26 centimeters on my lining material. Okay, now I'm going to fold my lining fabric at that 26 centimeter mark. Then I'll pull the fabric back towards that fold. So I'm going to pull the top of the fabric back towards that fold. Here I'm going to clip my liner side or my lining side so I can bring it over to the fabric side, and I'll clip them all together so I can begin stitching again. Here I'm showing I've already marked my side seams as 1 centimeter side seams, and I'm making a curve at the bottom of the bag. So just found something to make a curve and continue with that 1 centimeter side seam. Okay, I've sewn the edges of the bag and the corners of the bag and trimmed and clipped the corners. So I'm going to turn, the wallet right side out now. Now that my wallet is turned right side out, now I'll mark the center of the wallet of where I'm going to place my snaps. Okay, now that I have my second snap on, the wallet is just about done. So I'm just going to go back in and close up that enclosure right there where we turned it. I'm just going to clean that up and close that out. So I would just like to ask if you got anything out of this video or if it was helpful in any way, to please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and giving this video a like. And as always, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. and goodbye.